Hi everyone, this is just a short tutorial to introduce you to Niche Academy. Niche Academy is a collection of tutorials to help you become comfortable using our library resources such as eBooks and streaming movies. You can also find answers to common social media questions. The first step is to head to the library catalogue. You can get there by heading to Google and doing a search for Moreton Bay Library. Then, click on the first link. This is our library catalogue page. A link to Niche will be floating on the right-hand side of the page. Once the button is pressed, it will lead you through to our videos. Currently, we have sorted the videos into two categories. The categories are social media and eLibrary. Videos can be viewed inside the widget, or you may choose the full screen option. The full screen option opens in a new tab. Using the catalogue button, you will find your way back to the library catalogue. Thank you for watching.